I've been dressed like this for years.
No, I could never do that. I could never walk around with that shirt on. It would be sad.
So, where you are, how long would it take you to get into like hot pedigree? Maybe on the weekend away or something.
Well, that's the saving grace. Maybe 30 minutes.
What? And when you're in summer?
Yeah. Okay, for that, maybe an hour and an hour and a half.
When all the bodybuilders
Yeah, but that's 6 hours. That's 7 hours.
Oh. And you're on the Pacific Ocean.
Yeah.
Time to go right down the south at the end of the day.
South California is
So it went right north
Oregon and then Washington, and that's it.
and if I went east to the right, didn't go in there,
That's a tough question. Yeah. Oh yeah. North, south, length of America. There's all sorts of different climates. But mine is a funny climate. It's a peninsula, and it hangs out over in front of the Pacific, and then a bay comes around like this. Yeah. And so Alcatraz is right over here, yeah. And so what happens is there's a mountain range right here, and then a mountain range right here, and then San Francisco. So it's like this. It's like this. San Francisco's down here, and then water all around. But the wind is always I've seen one of those only in a movie before, but I still like it.
You can do a video there, you can stop there.
And you can do whatever you want.
Well,
You can get beer.
they make coke in there.
Yeah.
Hot coke. And I go there, there's half of the way to go, and then top off. You know? While we're there, I'm thinking of getting over there and doing that.
At pause, you can go back to jail on her plate.
Party, yeah. See the lads. Fuck off, you know?
Is that a plastic bag in there?
Looks like that, or one of them containers. So I wonder why it's got the walls to do it. I don't know, I just to let it wet. No, it's got a wet Probably does look like that.
Especially if it's, somebody's house. I mean, you can get off on like, that's just a fire doing melting. Actually, last year I was traveling in Istanbul, and I was walking down this really busy street. There's thousands of people walking down the street called Istiklal, and they'll be doing that. Yeah, and they'll be doing that all. Come on!
Miguel.
I can play the bongos.
You can play guitar.
I don't know like songs that I can. Sorry, I failed.
Mis abuelos me decían que antes de vivir así, tomando agüita fresca, respirando eran feliz de sus cerros nevados, brota agua cristalina, agua pura, agua fresca, para que te fortalezcas, respirando aire puro, medicina que me pueden dar a mí es un poco de agüita fresca y aire puro para vivir.
Yeah.